If a guy gets all the privileges of a boyfriend while he's still your friend, he will never be a boyfriend. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am Adiah, and in this video I am going to be telling you how to spot when a guy is not ready for a relationship but you want to, or he just wants to have fun. I'm going to be telling you guys some red flags that you should look out for when you like a guy but you're not sure where the situationship is headed. Once you see these red flags I'm about to tell you, honey, take a dip, run, go. He is not ready for a relationship. This is only for those who are looking for a relationship. If you like a guy and you want something more long-term, something more sustainable, this video is for you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, like and leave a comment down below. Let's get into the video. So the first red flag is when he says, I like you but I'm not ready for a relationship. Just go. Don't be doing changer. Don't say he will change. I am the one, the way your son don't need it. Don't say that since he has met you, he will get ready for a relationship. The thing is with men is that they know exactly what they want from when they meet you. So if a guy wants to have a relationship with you, it's going to take only 0.2 seconds for him to state his facts and his intentions clearly to you. So if he says, I am not ready for a relationship, we go in. Change his mind because of me. Don't say that I will change his mind. Don't say that I can make him change. You are not a changer. Only God is the unchangeable changer. Just take your L and be queen. Another red flag is when you ask him, oh babe, what do you see this relationship or this situationship turning out to be? And he goes, let's just vibe and see how it goes.
Let's just vibe and see how it goes.
Baby girl, just go. See, if you guys are talking and he says that, just stand up, go and carry your things to go to your house. I cannot stress this enough. Anybody that says let's just vibe and see how it goes, not only is he not ready for a relationship, he's not ready for a relationship with you, baby girl. A guy that's doing vibes and see how it goes, if he sees a girl he wants to date today, that's it. By the end of the week, he's going to be a boyfriend. It's not you. That's why you see all these things where somebody has been dating a guy for 4 years. She washes his clothes, cook for him, cook for his family, cook for his friends, and then they break up all of a sudden, and 2 months later he's getting married. He is not interested in having anything serious with you. He might want to get down, but that's it. I promise you, that's it. Nothing else. All these babes now wash, it's all rare. Another red flag are guys who just got out of a relationship but don't want a new relationship but want you. Can I just say that there's nothing I want to hear in this world? You get out of a relationship, you're not ready for a relationship, but he wants you as what? You get what I mean? Like, you want me as what? Your bestie? The worst thing you can do for yourself is to like a guy who just got out of a relationship because you're his rebound. 1 out of every 200 dates their rebound. That is after a long period of rebounding. You get what I mean? Take your L, and unless if you specialize in heartbreak, you want to be receiving it as a regular dosage, you can stay. But if you are looking for a relationship and you don't have heart to bleed with, please go. Another red flag is when he starts to sexualize your conversations early on in the talking stage. Like, maybe you'll be talking for a week and the next thing he's like,
oh, I like to see what you look like underneath the sheet.
First of all, check him there and then. Like, here's the thing, yeah, guys will sexualize everything, right? So if he says that and you be like, oh stop, or you're like or you put this emoji, it's going to continue happening. Exactly. So if he keeps sexualizing all your conversations, baby, that's what he wants. Sexualization. He wants to sexualize your board. If that's what you want, then that's fine. But if you're looking for a relationship, deep. Another red flag is when he's demanding boyfriend privileges without actually committing. He wants to be your boyfriend but still stay friends. Nigga, how? Like, he's all jealous and overprotective. He wants you to keep spamming him with pictures. He wants to call you babe. He wants to eat you out, but he don't want to be your boyfriend. Like, bro, It's giving friends with benefits, and if that's what you want, that's cool or whatever. Like, again, if you're looking for a relationship, obviously that's not your vibe. Like, first of all, yeah, if a guy gets all the privileges of a boyfriend while he's still your friend, he will never be a boyfriend. I'll say this again. If a guy gets all the privileges of being a boyfriend while he's still your friend, he will never be a boyfriend. If you guys are not dating, be as platonic as you can. Or you guys go and he's like holding you and all of that, he's not your boyfriend. He's blocking potential boyfriends. Somebody will see you and like you now, but he'll see you with the guy and think that you guys are dating, and then he will swerve. You get what I mean, girl? So the next red flag for me is when his energy is unstable. When you are in the talking stage of getting to know someone, and maybe like he calls you every day, or you guys talk every day, and then he just goes one whole week without talking to you, not a single text message, and then he comes back and he's like, oh babe, sorry, and then y'all are back to talking again, and then he goes another 2 weeks without talking to you.
Stop it. Get some help.
It's like, pick your struggle. Are you hot or are you cold? Are you in or are you out? Do you want this or do you not? Like, very unstable. Is that how you want your relationship to be? People have always said doing love once until he's already unreachable for 1 week. When you become his girlfriend, what makes you think it's going to be any different? No? Okay. Another red flag is when you ask a guy why you like me, and he goes, you're chilled and I like your vibes. That's not a compliment.
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
Why do you like me? I have attributes. You like the way I smile. You like my like, they are attributes. What is? You're chilled and I like your vibe. If he cannot state specifically what he likes about you, he doesn't want to be with you. It's that simple. The last red flag is if he does not match your vibe. If you're constantly giving him compliments and he does not reciprocate, mind you, obviously he's the one like him. He's trying to win you over. It doesn't make any sense that you're the one making all the initial efforts. Are you the one toasting him? Are you the one toasting him?
I am the one, the way your son don't need.
Once you set that tone, he will become lazy. Is that really the kind of relationship you want to have? Because it won't stop when you guys start dating. I hope you know. The fact that you already do that set the precedent for your relationship. Take your L and leave. Like, one thing I know for certain is that as long as you're a good person, you have a good heart, you know how to love genuinely, you will definitely find somebody for you. There's no point trying to stay with someone who doesn't appreciate you, who doesn't value you. That's one period. I'd rather stay single. That's what I can say, Sha. Comments there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know which of the red flags you've experienced firsthand. Let me know if you have any advice. Guys, tell me what you think about all these red flags. Like, I would like to know. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow me on Instagram because we are posting on there, and I'm really excited for the content I'm putting out on Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video so other people can know I'm not fall victim to all of this. And yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.